Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change your username on Pinterest. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So if you want to change the username of your Pinterest account, first of all you'll have to open the Pinterest app on your phone and then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner on your profile picture, and then tap on your profile again on the top left corner of the screen. Now, after that, you'll have to tap on View Profile on the top of your screen and then tap on Edit Profile, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to find your username. Now, all you'll have to do is to tap on that username, and it will open up your keyboard. And now you can change your username. Like I will change it to, and then hit done on the top right corner. Now you can see my username is updated and it says profile updated. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.